How to fix the Magic Mouse scrolling not working on the Mac OS. So simply open your Bluetooth and make sure your Magic Mouse device is connected. You can simply disconnect it and connect it again to possibly fix your problem. I recently fixed this problem but not with this step, but you can try it. So I'm gonna connect it. Now my mouse is connected. In your settings you can scroll down to the bottom and open the mouse, and here you will only see the natural scrolling, which should be turned on. If you want swipe down, it will go up, and if you swipe up, it will go down. But your problem is that it's not working at all, so you can simply disable this option. I like it disabled. If your scrolling is still not working, simply go up and find the general and simply open the software update. Here simply check for updates, and all you have to do is to download and install the latest version of the Mac OS, and your Magic Mouse scrolling will be working. It worked for me. I bought a new Magic Mouse, but only clicking worked. When I updated my software on my Mac, the scrolling down and up immediately worked. So the software updating fixed my problem. I hope it will fix also yours. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.